Okay, today is November 16th, 2025. About almost 10 a.m. in the morning right now. And here is my Bryant Legacy Line furnace running in heat mode. Just started it up for the first time this season. Took off the front panel again, like I did last year for its first run. But yeah, just started up in heat mode for the first time. It is currently about in the mid to upper 30s right now outside, and highs are supposed to reach the low to mid 50s today, I think. And yesterday I did the Bryant's the outdoor unit's last run for the season yesterday when it was in the 60s. But yeah, just I do the furnace's first run for the season. We've mainly just been using the fireplace on cold nights, but after about today, it's supposed to, I think, be regularly cooler now, from now on, like highs in the 40s and 30s, so yeah, we decided the furnace is on for the season. But yeah, there's the inducer right there, and there's the flame. But yeah, the unit's working, furnace is working pretty well. The thermostat's set at 71 inside, and it is about 68 degrees inside right now. Blower is in there. But yeah. And then there's our water heater here. So rude. But yeah, just I do the furnace's first run for the season. But yeah, it's has a broad ocean inducer. But yeah, we're probably not gonna run this much, at least for today, since highs will be in the 50s, so it'll actually be kinda nice out, so we probably won't need the heat really, but yeah, just I do its first run for the season. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna go turn off now.